Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 2015 65 Reg 116D M Sport 5-door hatch presented in Glacier Silver. So alongside a fantastic exterior colour, the vehicle does also feature a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. We've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys professionally refurbished in gloss black, and they now suit the exterior colour very well. At the front of the car you will see it does come with the BMW LED headlamps alongside that very nice gloss black front splitter and the matching kidney grills. Down the side of the car you can see it also comes with BMW sun protection glazing. We've made another addition down the side in the form of the satin side vinyls, and over the top you can see at the rear of the car the very nice high gloss rear spoiler, which we will of course take a closer look at shortly. For the interior it does come with one of my personal favourites in the form of the half Alcantara half cloth M highlight seats. As you can see there, it does come with a 6-speed manual, and we shall show you the rear seats where you'll find a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with of course a darkened M Sport headlining. And again, thanks to the fact that the wheels have just been freshly refurbished, they are all unmarked and do come with the mixed run flat package. And there you can see now that very nice high gloss rear boot spoiler. Around at the back we do have front and rear parking sensors on this car, is a very nice option, and the 1 Series, if you've not yet seen one, does come with a very usable size boot. Speaking from experience, having owned 2 of these cars now, it is a very usable everyday hatchback that you will want to own. It's a very nice mixture of both economy yet fun to drive. So in terms of our new click and collect service, if you want to find more about how we are operating that due to the new guidelines, you can click down below in the description for a link to our website, and of course further details are down there about that, and of course prices and funding options about this wonderful vehicle. And we shall now hop on board and show you around a couple of this vehicle's interior features, beginning with the BMW Business Navigation and a media screen. So yeah, we do have both. We have got sat nav and the multiple multimedia screens as well. We'll begin with the sat nav. It's a really user-friendly system. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. And there you can see DAB as well as all of the multimedia inputs as well, ranging from USB right the way through to Bluetooth audio, as we've just mentioned. 6-speed manual. The car's covered just over 41,000 miles. As another nice addition to this car, it does have the cruise control as well as speed limiter option, voice and volume controls. And in terms of the vehicle service history, which we'll go through in just 1 second, you'll be able to see that the vehicle does have a BMW service history as well. So as you can see, it's got service history all the way up to 30,000 miles, and we shall also be servicing the car ourselves, including a set of brand new front brake pads as they are coming up to be serviced as well. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 1 Series here at Your Next Car. Hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful. As mentioned before, for further information remember to check out the links down below. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.